Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we are back with wholesome new question which says matrix A has m rows and n plus 5 columns. So, suppose that there is matrix A which is m cross n plus 5. Okay. Matrix B has m rows and 11 minus n columns. If AB and BA exist, okay, so first try to deal with first idea. They are saying that AB exist. So first try to understand the condition that if AB exist, then the number of column of A, n plus 5, should be equal to the number of rows of matrix B, means this equation. Okay, and then they are saying that BA exist. BA exist. So BA exist means what? The number of columns of B should be equal to the number of rows of M. Okay, so if you will observe, you have to solve these two equations. So first equation is this, second equation is this. Now, you know that m is equal to this, m is equal to this. So both are equal. So can I write n plus 5 is equal to 11 minus n? So can I write 2n equals to 6, n equals to 3. So we got n as 3. So if n is 3, A will become what? Matrix, n is 3. So m will become 8. M will become 8. So can I write matrix A is 8 cross 3 matrix? No, no. N is 3. So 8 cross 8 matrix. Okay. Similarly, B is what? 8 cross 8 matrix. So both matrix are square. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of MathFlix.